you can extend your screen so that you can see the Google Meet and any other items, such as eSchool, on your computer monitor and show the students in class, as well as those at home, anything on your interactive whiteboard. First, find an empty space of desktop and right-click on it. Then choose Display Settings. Scroll down to where it says Multiple Displays. Click the down arrow where it says Duplicate these displays and select Extend these displays. Click Keep within 15 seconds, or else the display settings will revert to their original settings. Let's scroll up to the top of this window. Notice here my main monitor, number 1, is the computer monitor, and 2 is the smartboard. In my case here, I will drag to the right so that I can push items out into the smartboard so that students can see them. If later in the Meet I share everything on desktop too, anything that's the students in class are seeing, the students at home will be seeing as well. It may be inconvenient to push things to the right though, if your computer monitor is actually on the right of the smartboard. And you can simply click and hold monitor 2 or 1 and just drag it to the opposite side and let it go. And now instead of having to push things over to the right to be on the smartboard, I push them over to the left to be on the smartboard. Click Apply when done and close the window. Let's see what it looks like to be in a Google Meet and share that extended display. By going to the lower right-hand corner of the Meet, hitting Present Now, choosing my entire screen, click on Screen 2 so that's highlighted in blue, and then I can hit the Share button. And now I'm sharing everything that is on the interactive whiteboard. I hope you found it helpful. We'll talk to you again soon.